All right, folks, today we're back at Baker's Row. This time we're looking at 2415 Dauphine Street, Unit B. So this is a gorgeous unit. It's way on the back, so it's by this outdoor kitchen and patio seating area that I showed y'all in the last video. This one's absolutely beautiful. It's offered at $555,000. I think it's good to show y'all the different units because they are all unique in their own ways. They have very similar floor plans, but they're not exactly the same. They all have the 3 stories, 2 bedrooms, 2.5 baths. But as you can see, this kitchen is different. It's got the gray cabinets with the black door pulls and the black faucet. They all have these same beautiful floors. They're wide plank wood floors from France. They all have this beautiful patio space like the first one and the 30-foot storm grade windows all the way to the top. Here's our half bathroom and our staircase. So I'll take y'all upstairs to the master bedroom on the first floor. So again, just a luxury bathroom, but different from the last one, of course. Different tile finishes and floor tiles and cabinet pulls and colors. Here's our huge master bedroom. What's nice about these back units, though they may not have the front-facing balconies, they all have balconies. Here's one on the back side. And your view of the surrounding neighborhood and the sitting area and outdoor kitchen right off your balcony. Now upstairs we have our studio bedroom like before with the full bathroom. I kind of like the back unit. It feels very private and secure all the way back here. Look at that bathroom. As you can see, unique, absolutely beautiful. Could fit 5, 6, 7 people up in there. Here's the rest of our bathroom. And this bedroom space up here. Once you get up to this 3rd floor, you get that beautiful view of the church. And you can see more of the neighborhood. I thank you for watching this week's Walkthrough Wednesday. Again, this is 2415B on Dauphine Street. Offered at $555,000. If you should have any questions, please feel free to call Chris Smith directly at 504-231-2004. This is Jacob, signing off.